Hi and welcome to my kitchen. One of my favorite and easy weekend feasts is my 10-minute spicy prawn tacos. I really love using freshly cooked Queensland local king prawns that I pick up straight from the trawlers. Now, all I've done for this recipe is peeled the prawns. I'm going to drizzle them with a little bit of olive oil, a bit of taco seasoning, and then frying them in a pan for a few minutes until golden. Steaming the prawns with just some toasted tortillas, or you can use tacos, and my own spicy garden beans, which I'm going to cook with a little bit of garlic, tomatoes, onions, and some more of that taco mix. So to assemble these gorgeous 10-minute tacos, start off by toasting your little taco shell, down with the spicy beans. Delicious. A little bit of our chunky avocado. I've got a gorgeous slaw of local carrots, some red and purple cabbage, and a little bit of coriander, mayonnaise, yogurt, lemon juice, and another little bit of coriander. You can use a little bit of parsley, just a lovely dash of dollop, a couple of our gorgeous little prawns on top, and piece de resistance, some beautiful little pearls of finger lime.